Hi! In this video, we will see how we can use the Auto-Generate Layout or AGL feature to create an extraction template within seconds and modify it using its subcomponents in Astera ReportMiner. AGL comes with two beta subcomponents called Auto-Create Field Single Instance and Auto-Generate Table. These drag and click options enable the user to create selected fields and selected tables respectively. It is important to note here that this feature is a design time convenience to jumpstart the extraction process. Users can then fine-tune the layout, which has been created automatically to fit their business requirements. In this case, we have a PDF invoice for Lumos State Solutions opened in a report model. As you can see, the invoice contains some name value pairs at the top, followed by a table below it. Notice that the name value pairs are separated by colons and the headers of the table are all in one line. This is an ideal file to extract data from using the Auto-Generate Layout option. Click on the Auto-Generate Layout option present in the toolbar to auto-create a layout. A progress window will pop up, showing the status of the process. You can stop the process by clicking on Cancel. An output window will appear at the bottom, showing the details of the regions extracted from the unstructured invoice. Notice that it only took roughly 5 seconds to generate this layout, which is much faster than manually creating the layout from scratch. The Model Layout panel shows the regions and data fields extracted in this report model. The data node contains name value pairs, whereas the table region contains the information stored in the table. The Data 1 node contains only one field, total. Since we do not want to extract that information in this use case, let's delete that region. Right-click on the node and select Delete Region from the context menu. The bill address field has not been captured correctly. We can fix this by deleting extra fields bill address 1 and bill address TX and increasing the length of the field in the Field Properties panel. The same is the case with the ship address TX field. We can edit the properties of the field, mainly its start position and field length, to capture the data in the field completely. However, not all the information has been captured in the name value data region. Some lines with useful information, for example, lines 20 through 21, are not even part of the data region highlighted in gray. This is because the key value pairs with no separator in between were not captured by the AGL algorithm. To fix this issue, we can increase the line count of the region in the Region Properties panel. To capture the sales order and packing slip fields, select the data on the designer, right-click on the designer, and select the Auto Create Field Single Instance option from the context menu. An output window will open showing the status of the process. We can check the Model Layout panel to see if 2 new fields have been created. You can also preview the data using the Preview Data option from the toolbar. A data preview window will open showing the extracted regions and fields. In case you want to only extract the table from the unstructured document, you can use the Auto-Generate Table option. Select the complete data, which is a part of the table region. Make sure the first line of the selection contains the headers of the table. Right-click on the designer and select the Auto-Generate Table option from the context menu. Again, a progress window will show the progress of the operation and the output window will show the status of the newly created table region. You can see all the fields created in the table region in the Model Layout panel. That concludes our discussion on using Auto-Generate Layout in Astera ReportMiner. For best practices on using AGL and more information, please visit our documentation site. Thank you for watching this video.